Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats, kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Little Sigea demo. We kind of made a little bit of a hard pivot here, and we decided that the best way for us to release this is to release everything at once. So we had to get the desktop version going. Desktop is important, desktop and mobile, because we need your devices to sync. That is what consumers expect. We need to be able to deliver it. So we had to get cranking away on the desktop version. And I just thought I would give you guys show you guys where we're at right now. We're like 95% ready to go, and one more little foible that we got to take care of, and then we're going to go ahead and release. But I thought it'd be fun to give you guys a little base demo here. Now, this is what you're going to see on the desktop version, more or less, unless we can put this whole thing into a separate program. Right now, we're not going to. There's no point. We don't need to reinvent every damn wheel here to make this work. So when you come over, this is what you're going to see, and that little blue button there is kind of the important one. Now, we are doing everything we can to abstract away the Web3 from this. Our target market is not Web3 people, it's Web2. That's it. We want to stay price competitive with Dropbox and the other mobile clouds. So we had to make sure that this similar features are in on this. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. If you want to connect with Kepler, nice and easy. Boom, you're up, you're there, you're behind it, you're behind your wallet, and you're all set here. So you pop over, open it back up, go to File Manager, and there you go. If you want to upload files, pick the files, send them up, and wham. Now, if you want to continue on, we're putting an option in here for those of you who just would prefer everything go straight up to Jackal, because you can see it right there, that you just go ahead and send it up. If you want to do it manually, then you just click the file, open up, store, share to Jackal, or store to Jackal, and it's done. Now, we can't see the images that you're sending us. It's encrypted off your device before we get it. We can see the names because those are files have to be called something. So we can see the name of it, but we can't actually see it. We can't see the content, so we cannot give you a preview of it. I hope you can forgive us for that, but you can't have it both ways. You can't have privacy, sort of. You can't get a little bit pregnant. So you either have it or you don't. This is the way that we figured out to give it to you, and there you go. So that's one way to log in. The other one, we'll go ahead and disconnect here. The other way, and this is what we assume most of our Web2 clientele will be using, is going to be that one right there. So you're going to continue with an email. You're going to click in, and there you go. So this one is already a new one. The passkey's already been generated, and I'm sure most people are familiar with this, what that looks like, because you can get the same effect with Coinbase. So click the photo face to log in, and there you go. So you're connected here, you're connected there, and now you're behind your web wallet, because we generate a wallet on your behalf. That's what we do. We are generating a wallet on your behalf. We're paying gas from a central wallet, because gas fees over on Jackal are like ridiculously low. So we're paying all the gas fees for every file transfer that you might send up or down. And there you go. So if you come over here to this one, which is a separate account, you can have multiple accounts. You can do whatever you want, but this is a separate account with a separate login. So you can see that this one has folders already created in it, and the other one did not. So my web wallet does not. This one is a different account. So yeah, it's set up a little bit differently. But getting in, uploading files, everything, piece of cake. It'll take PDFs. It'll take zip files. It really doesn't matter. Anything that's considered object storage is going to go ahead and go up, and there you go. There's a movie, and yeah, on to glory. Now we're trying to find a way to actually give you the movie preview, because if you could do that with the movie preview, then effectively anything that you could log, you're basically voodoo at that point, because you already have it. It's up. It's on your devices. You're the only one who can see them. Nobody else can, and you can make that roll. But we haven't quite cracked that nut yet, because we're again, your data is encrypted off your device. So we're I don't know, man. We're trying something. We haven't quite got there yet. That's that final 5% that we haven't gotten yet. But same thing. If you want to send it up, store it up to Jackal, on to Glory, and you're good to go. So Yeah, just the little base feature. Now, the Android APK, iOS, we're going to be releasing everything at the same time. And there'll be another button over here, which is just going to be the sync button. Right now, it's just a refresh, but we'll put the sync button right there. So if you want to sync everything that's on this account to what you're on your mobile device, we're going to make that happen for you. I personally recommend it. And for those of you who simply never ever want to use desktop, we'll give you the option to just send everything straight to Jackal. So it's not going to get hung up over here. Yeah, like I said, we just want to give you the options. Anyway, that's it. That's first look. Hope you guys, it's very alpha right now. But our friends over at Reached are the ones that are making this element of it happen. They're doing fantastic work. If you need any app work or whatever, reach out to Umesh. She'll get you hooked up. But that's it, guys. Questions, comments, ScottThePodcast.com. I answer any and all. And until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money. Cheers.